The area pa sector. So, given naman yung area ng sector, guys. So, sabi, yung area daw ng sector natin, that is 10 pi. So, inches squared. So, given yung area ng sector na. Then, and its central angle is 45 degrees. So, yung angle daw is 45 degrees. So, find the radius of the circle. So, yung hahanapin naman, guys, is yung radius. Hindi naman ang aso. So, kapag area, guys, yung given, edi ganun pa rin. Lagay mo yung formula ng area. So, dahil degree siya, guys, yung gagamitin natin ito. Yung theta over 360 then pi r squared. So, theta over 360 then pi r squared. Kapag degree. Kapag radian, ito gagamitin mo syempre para di ka mahirapan. Pero kung trip mo mahirapan, di convert mo ito yung radian. Then, gagawin mo lang yan. Ano yung nakaso? Psst! Ano yung tinatawalan na ito? Ito tingin. Gabi na. Do. Ay buwan, maliwanag ang buwan. Maliwanag. Ulitin natin, guys. So sabi yung given para maganda i-post. So the area of sector is 10 pi inches squared and its central angle is 45 degrees. Then syempre yung formula gagamitin natin is in the degree, which is theta over 360 pi r squared. Then, pa-plug na lang natin. So, basically, meron tayong area that's 10 pi. Mamaya natin lagay yung units or lagay na natin. Mamaya na. Then, meron tayo dito theta which is 45 over 360. So, naka-degrees yan. Then, hinahanap natin yung r. So, wala tayong value ng r kasi ngayon ang hinahanap. So, ngayon guys, pwede natin ito i-simplify. So, copy lang natin yung 10 pi. Where yung 45 tsaka 360, pag dinivide yun, anong magiging sagot? Magiging 1 over 8. Hindi siya 8. 1 over 8. Kasi mas malaki yung denominator natin. So, copy natin yung pi. Then r squared. So, kapag ganito guys, pwede mo siya i-multiply both side by the denominator para ma-eliminate yung denominator. Yung tinatawag nating LCM. Or pwede ka mag-cross multiply. Depende sa trip mo. So, multiply na lang natin both side by 8. Pares lang naman yan. So, magkakaroon ka ng 8 times 10. Being 85. Ito naman ma-eliminate. Then, magiging 5r squared na lang siya. So, we are looking for r. So, kailangan i-divide yung pi. So, maka-cancel yung pi. Maka-cancel yung pi. So, bali magiging 80 r squared. So, we're looking for r, not r squared. So, square root natin both side. So, simplify na lang. So, marunong ka mag-simplify. Pwede kasi itong maging 4 times 20. Then, 4 times 5. Or magkakaroon ka ng, pwede mo siya sabihin na, di ba, 4 times 5. That is 80. Kasi 4 times 5 is 20. 20 times 4 is 80. Parang ganito na itsura nila. So, may eliminate na yung square root, pati yung squared. Then, may dalawa ka ditong 4. Lalabas natin yung isang 4 na lang. Then, yung 5, nasa loob pa rin siya ng radical. So, balitin magiging radius natin. So, yung unit, that is inches. So, 4 square root of 5 inch. Hindi naman siya area. Then, radius lang. Ganyan yung ginagawa. So, let's say naman,